There we go. We're on the way to Boxy's to see the man who allegedly fucked Boxy.
No, he sure in fact did.
Oh, like for sure?
Yes, absolutely.
For sure.
Coming from a Roseville kid.
Say that again?
Coming from a Roseville kid, yes. I go to the school with the two. They had sex. And for reference points, we are turning a left on McAinley, and then we'll go straight for about a quarter of a mile, turn another right, and we will be at Silverado. Just for those non-believers who don't think we're in Roseville, we are. Wood Creek High School is right behind us. While we are accompanied by two other Anons who are in the... Well, no, I'm talking about the two in the car right now. And being you, yes, Bernie. Accompanied by another one, which means a fourth, and on the motorcycle in front of us. Woo, woo, woo! Now turning right on Country Club.
Say hi to the camera.
We'll blur your face out later.
Yeah.
And there it is, Silverado. Where we will be meeting Dan Burla. Which there he is. Alright, this video is through. Don't park in a handicapped spot.